So good morning. It's Saturday morning. I'm out here doing a little maintenance on the dozer, changing the hydraulic fluid. Never been changed. The screen here that's inside the tank, I was real curious as to what it was going to look like in here, and so far everything looks good. I loosened the dipstick going the transmission so I get the plate back. Got one nut up here, take this bracket off, it's holding it on. I've got some mineral spirits I'm gonna clean it out with and put it back. Tighten the dipstick up. It takes about 10 gallons of fluid. The drain hole on this one right there, big nut, 1.25 inch nut. And there is the parking lot, which I figured is going to be a pond. We've had a pretty good bit of rain last couple of days, so it's not unexpected. We'll have to get a sump pump out here and put out there, pump it in the cover and get it out of here. But anyway, right now, finish getting this off and clean it and go back with it. Let's see. Oh. See it. Looks good though. Alright, I got the screen clean. I've got gasket material, and this is gear oil gasket material. Both sides of that. We're going to put our screen back on. I have to excuse my sniffing. I'm not sick, and I got allergies. Anytime this old weather starts being wet and a little cool, I have to deal with all that mess. As does a lot of other people. Couple of bolts, nuts there. Alrighty. Alright, I'm gonna finish putting these on, and that'll be about it. Get some never season put on. When I come back to fill the tank up, I'm gonna let this bracket sit probably to Monday. Then you'll probably be fine to fill it up tomorrow, but like it says 24 hours on the sealant. Next thing is this little breather filter here. I don't think it needs changing it really, but it's been on there a little while, and I got a new one. Might as well. It's for your breather line on your hydraulics. Thing I'm gonna do is change the filter. I don't know if I got it so tight I can't take it off my hand or not. I can't hardly get to it. Let's see, I'll maybe put that right under here. Hit some of this. Maybe there won't be much in it. Not much come over the top, what I mean. Brand new. Takes a AT 12444. Take some of this oil and put on the ring. Trash in it. Sure that ring's still on. I don't tighten these real tight. I just kind of snug them up a little. If they start leaking, I'll change it, do something then. Alright, so I'm gonna let this sit, let that gasket material sit up. I'm gonna clean up my mess. I make a big mess, it don't matter what I do. A couple other things I was gonna do. One is change the inside air filter. I just changed the primary. You can see the mess that's already in here. Look at that. What happens when you work in the woods? Have all these leaves and mess to deal with. Let's change it. Water's been coming in, I see. We're gonna fix that too. I got a new dust bowl. That thing, oh, I don't mess off those bushes over there I was pushing the fire lane in. See up in there. Where's that supposed to go? I accidentally put 2 washers on this nut, which was pushing the nut out. Wouldn't let this filter go in enough. I'm thinking that's what it is to get this nut started. Still not wanting to start. Right here, the new filters came with some new rubber washers, so I put them on there, and I couldn't get the primary filter to push in far enough because the washer on the secondary filter was pushing the nut for the secondary filter out. It was pushing the primary filter out. Anyway, I ended up just taking those washers off, and then it fit. Let's try something else. Inside of there, I don't see what really gonna matter. It dang sure wasn't tight enough. Alright, let me get my new dust bowl. Okey-doke. Fan belt, alternator, that's good. Had all that cleaned out. Don't take long to get it messed up. Alright, y'all have a good weekend. God bless. See y'all later.